10 more minutes until finished.
So guys, this is part 2.
No, it's not part 2. Let's just say it's part 3. It's already been part 2.
Yes. Well, anyways, oh yeah, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, and get us to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year.
And more.
And more.
Like, comment down below which favorite type washing machine that you, and comment down which washing machine you have. Smash that like button for it, and hit the subscribe button so I could get more. Hey,
Subscribers!
I don't know why you have to shout that, but okay.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
I'll add that to the video. And smash the like button and please subscribe. I was just your help. Man!
How long has it got left, Nate?
8 minutes.
Hey, my turn! No, I'm joking. Nate's doing your washing machine. We're all getting in the washing machine. Yes! You've been very annoying.
Smash that subscribe button.
And like and subscribe to Nate. And also Alex
To
Gameboy and Charlie Tech. Subscribe to all
Mine's
three
already
of these
Nate
channels.
Plays, but so Nate
And
Plays.
here he said this.
Mine's already. My channel's called Nate Plays.
Yeah, mine's called Alex Gameboy.
Yeah, we already know it's called Alex Game Boy.
My brother's is Charlie Tech.
Yeah, Charlie Tech.
So go and like and subscribe to all 3 of them channels.
All 3 of us.
Go subscribe.
Yeah.
Please don't unsubscribe.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah, guys,
never.
do not unsubscribe.
And if you dare, I'll report you.
I will,
Roblox and get your permanent IP banned.
and you will be. If you comment down Samsung, you're really an idiot.
Yeah, and if you comment down 6'7", well, that's up to Nate. So, Nate, you want to say anything about that?
Yeah.
So, what would you like to say about what?
About what?
About a comment saying 6'7". What would you do about it? Would you keep it or delete it?
I'll delete it.
Alright. You allowed
It's on spin.
Well, spin already.
Oh, don't throw that on the video, please.
Okay. Just spin. You
Just-
washing machine.
Yeah! Spin now!
Knife in the head. Washing machine.
Okay.
Right, I've got a knife.
It's not having
Stop!
video.
Wait, let me go
Quiet.
get a knife. I'll be back, guys. I'm just going to get a knife. Guys, I'm back with a knife. And it's spinning now, so it's practically useless.
Why you got a knife?
Why are you trying to
Guys,
murder?
it's only a non-kicking knife. This is not a murder video.
Yeah,
This is not a murder video.
It's only a kitchen knife.
Don't murder the washing machine.
Okay, but why did it spinning earlier?
you want me to edit that bit out?
Charlie, you don't need to.
It's doing a banging spin right now.
Wait, it's on super speed. How about we change that? How about we go to...
No,
Sam.
you can't change it. It'll just stay on. No, don't turn it.
Why?
Otherwise, it'll just. We have to restart and I have to video all that.
Okay. But I might do it later.
Yeah, what about you video it next one and send it to me and I can add it to YouTube?
Yeah.
What about do that?
It's going a little bit fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's on super speed. You can see there, guys.
Yeah, you can see super speed. The light's saying that.
It's going around 250 miles per hour or 100 something. 50.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah. Probably be 150.
Don't. Charlie just turned on the dry when that's broken.
It's getting faster every minute.
I have those sorts of dries and it's called a Smart Touch.
Right. So it's getting a lot faster than I expected. So yeah, let's keep on super speed because it can go around at 150 or 200 or up to 260 miles per hour.
Yeah, you're
Around
right.
that.
No way this works. Please like and subscribe and hit that comment and type something down
Yeah.
below.
Be nice.
Be nice to our channel.
And don't say swear words in the comments. And he
Yeah.
also doesn't want a 6-7.
Otherwise we'll quit YouTube.
Yeah, and ban your Roblox account for permanent.
And ban their
ban.
Roblox.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so you can't play. A permanent IP ban.
It's getting faster than I thought.
Yeah, it's running a lot faster. If this was this is almost as fat as a full commercial airplane, guys. So soon be later. Oh, but it's gonna take a long time to beat the speed of sound.
Smash that like button and please subscribe.
Yeah, to all 3 of these channels. So, I forgot what theirs was called. So
Thanks for subscribing.
Yeah, but what's your channel there called?
Forgot what channel it's called. Nate Plays. Why?
Also subscribe to Nick Liz and like, and also do that to Alex Game Boy
And Charlie Tech. You shouldn't really give Charlie a subscriber.
Oh yeah, you only got 14.
Yeah.
And you're in the lead from him.
Yes. I'm in the lead. When is this gonna slow down? You should do that end sound song. Oh, it's slowing down now.
So guys, it's slowing down.
Slowing down.
Soon I'll eventually.
Is it gonna do the
Stop
anti-crease? Is it gonna do anti-crease? Did it do that
Just what?
on super speed? Anti-crease?
I don't know what like this. I'm not a master like you now.
You're not a master subscriber button.
No, I'm not a master.
I have this play button.
Oh, yeah. So let's eventually gonna slow down and completely stop.
Yeah.
Frozen in time and space and logic and physics. Like it just did.
It's gonna.
Well, that is just so. Yeah. So we might actually stop in this. If I ask Nate, can we stop it?
No, I'm gonna watch it do the anti-graze. Then I'll end it.
Why is this game Robux?